Welcome to Dryer Vent Cleaning Solutions Training Module 1, where we will explore billing, scheduling, business management, and software, focusing on using the Stripe platform for billing. Stripe is a comprehensive suite of financial and payment products designed to reduce costs, grow revenue, and streamline your business operations. By integrating Stripe with Dryer Vent Cleaning Solutions, you can efficiently manage billing, recurring payments, and more. With Stripe, you can accept international payments from all major debit and credit cards, as well as digital wallet payments. It also offers flexible payment options like Buy Now, Pay Later, making it a versatile choice for businesses. Choosing Stripe means opting for simplicity, accessibility, and speed in setting up payment methods. Its global scalability makes it an ideal choice for organizing e-commerce payment processes. Stripe is recommended for its transparent fee structure, with no hidden costs for businesses or customers. It provides detailed transaction information, ensuring clarity and trust in every payment. In the payments processing market, Stripe holds a significant market share, outperforming competitors like Zelle. It is a secure platform for accepting online and credit card payments, ensuring your business operates safely and efficiently. Setting up a Stripe account is quick and easy, requiring only basic information. Unlike other processors, you don't need a merchant account, saving you time and hassle. Stripe allows you to accept recurring payments, ideal for subscription-based services. Its simple pricing structure with competitive transaction fees helps you focus on growing your business. Stripe integrates seamlessly with hundreds of products, making it easy to manage your finances and collect payments through your site's content management system. With Stripe, you don't have to worry about PCI compliance, as it handles the security standards for digital payment processing, ensuring your business remains secure and compliant. Stripe is known for its user-friendly payment processor, offering a clean and easy-to-navigate dashboard. It simplifies financial management, making it accessible for all users. Stripe supports over 10 payment methods, including popular options like Apple Pay and Google Pay, ensuring your customers have flexible payment choices. After setting up your Stripe account, you can integrate it into your website to create payment links for your services. Visit the provided link to learn more about using Stripe for your business.